In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for meeting notes. So if you want to use Poppy AI for notes during a meeting, there are two ways to do so. One is to actually, if you're the one speaking the most in these meetings, you can actually use the start recording option here, which is pretty much if you click this, as you can see, it is now recording. So it is going to save your audio file here. There you go. Or you could actually have, for example, you're in Zoom or maybe you're in Discord or Google Meets. There is an option for all of those to record your entire meeting so you can see everything, you can hear everybody, and then save that to your PC or to your Google Drive, and you can just upload your files like so, right? So drop files here or from device Dropbox to Google Drive, and then just connect it to your Google Chat or Poppy Chat, like so. And you can have the Poppy Chat just create a very in-depth and professional outline of the meeting that you have done using those raw files. So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.